Team Fire. Nah, man, huh? You know what it is. YG's up. When we here, you know we in the building. But right here is my young boy with big dreams and grown man thoughts. YG.
Listen,
Young Ghost.
I still smoking on some dour, thinking of a master plan. We real sticky, yeah, like a cactus plant. My flow hot, spit fire like a dragon, man. In your flow AC cool, so you don't have a fan. Team Fire, we the best, no challenge, man. Was gunning, we give it up like the Taliban. Yeah, YBK, except my nigga Taliban. And we tumble over niggas like an avalanche. Big hammer on my waist, so it sag the pants. Hit him with the pound, and I don't mean dap his hand. Swagged out, yeah, watch me do the swaggin' dance. BB flashing and BB sagging, huh? Nigga fresher than a newborn. So your bitch blow me like her soup on. Shooting niggas with suits on with my crew on. And my bitch give it up like Mulan. Been spitting fastballs lately, had to switch the flow. I'm a PS3, you a Nintendo 64. Niggas end up dead when this beef simmies blow. And there ain't no coming back, and I Kenny though. I blow plenty smoke. Green weed with orange hair. Super Saiyan hair on Piccolo. Old school Nick Cannon with it, I'm a gigolo. Nah, I'm more like R. Kelly, I piss on hoes. I throw up on the beat, who got a sicker flow? I'm killing these whack rappers, make them dig the hole. We ballin' on them, yeah, jabs at the pick and roll. Blake alley hooping to me, I dunked it in the goal. Soar. Money, that's my bitch, but she a whore. I know everybody love her, but I love her much more. Real nigga shit, fake niggas can't relate. They say time is money and y'all always be late. Catch your ice on my wrist, take it shorty for a skate. It took you a month to hit, I hit it on the first date. It's sad, these niggas is mad, cause they bitch look like the fat bitch off a bag. And mine's like Halle Berry, these niggas bitches like Tyler Perry. We chase rats like Tom and Jerry. Headshots when I pop the desert. Exotic weed, all kind of berries. He fucked the first, but I popped the cherry. That's the difference, they average, I'm gifted. My mixtape should be wrapped up and sold on Christmas. Get it, bars over heads, cause it's a new era. Name a nigga unsigned, who better? My crib the Playboy Mansion, hood Hugh Hefner. Pelly like car seats, smooth leather. If you knew better, then you do better. I'm YG, yeah, remember those 2 letters.
Could you do better than that? Huh? Please tell me. If y'all got a young boy doing better than that, please let me know. I'll put anything on it. I'm telling you, man, you motherfuckers, I don't know what to say. It's just unbelievable. Team Fire, Young Ghost.